function in the Google Sheet. Question. I have two questions. First, how to show average score for all the students. 2. If function. If any student has less than 50 score, show the word fail. And if the student greater than equals to 50, show the words passed. Before I show you with the first question, I'm gonna to explain you. So this is a form that I made with the student. I have 5 students and this is a score for subjects. Next, I want to calculate and show the score average of the student. I just press equal sign and type average function, open bracket, select all the subject of the student and close bracket and enter to show the answer. Next, click on this button to show the success autofill. Okay, with the first question ready. This is the average score of the student. Okay, we go to the second question. If this is the result after we use if function to logical test. Okay, I select all the cell and press delete. And I have a question with the same second question here. What is the function we use to show the result, pass and fail in this cell? Can you tell me please? Okay, before I show you, I want to know about the operator first. This is the equals to. We use the equal sign like this and a greater than. So this is the sign of the greater than, less than, greater than equals to, less than equals to, and not equals to. And I want you remember that if you want to use with the if function correctly, you should be know with the operator first. So this is the sum of operator that I show you. You need to remember. Now I will use the operator and I will use the operator greater than equals to and with less than in this video to show you. Okay, so we go back to the Google Sheet form. First, I select all the cell and press delete the question sign. Okay, first you need to click on the first cell, press equal sign and tap if function to show. Open bracket. So in here we should know about the logical test expression. We catch the average goes to the logical test. Click on the first of the student average and so less than the sign here. I want you to read the question. If any student has less than 50 score, show the word fail. Okay, if you want to show the word fail with the student get a score under 50, we need to press comma, show the double quote sign, and show the word fail. And close the double quote sign. Next, comma. This is the value for. If you want to show the value for, I want you to read that question first. If the student greater than equals to 50, show the word passed. You can do like this. Press to open the double quote sign. Next, show the word passed. And close the double quote sign. And close bracket. Okay, so this is ready. I want to express use again. If the student score under 50, show the word fail. And if any student got the score 50 or greater than 50 score, they will show the word pass in cell. Okay, so finish, press enter. Click on these buttons to suggest autofill. Okay, so this is the result. In here, pass is correct because the student get the 73.75 score. So check this one, fail. And this student is get a score 42. So this is correct too because the student got a score under 50. So this is the condition. So if the student get under 50 score, show the word fail. So this is correct too. Okay, so this is the if function or logical test in the Google Sheet, and you can try with to set with the result of the student that you want to show pass or fail after the student exam. Okay, so with the if function finished. Thank you for your love sharing. See you next video.